Transferring money from your Scotiabank to your RCB is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can transfer your funds from your Scotiabank to your RCB bank. So the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, you need to follow these instructions. First things first, go to Scotia Online and log in. Once you're logged in, you will see a page something like that. Here you have to, click or select your account. Once your account is selected, you just have to go to Move Money section. This is how it will look. Now in the Move Money section, you just have to select two other option. You don't have to select between my account, select two other options. Now here you have to enter, the details. First of all, you have to select from which account you want to transfer the money, and then you have to select to which account you want to transfer the money, and then enter the amount you want to, do it, and then you can add an optional message as well. Now, if you do not have any recipient added, you can actually add a new recipient as your RCB bank by clicking on this add recipient and entering the detail of your bank account from your RCB. Now, once it is added, this is what you will see. As you guys can see, you will be able to quickly review the transaction. If you want to confirm it, just click on this confirm transfer, and there you go. Your transaction will be successful. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.